Oh, the little baby.
I'm gonna let Finn out.
Baby.
Y'all, we can go in the basement and like
Be
chill,
sexual.
and I'm gonna bring the dogs down there.
Come here, the baby. Oh, it's a
my
babe.
Ashley,
It's a
can you-
babe.
Can I get your keys, Ash? I'm gonna get the laptop out.
Oh my God. This dog.
Oh,
Fucking cute. His name's
will
Marley.
you take me a picture of me?
Yeah, of course. Picture, horror, selfie, lover. Oh, it's another baby. Oh, it's another baby. Oh. We're gonna have.
act like
we're-
I'm a picture.
We're gonna have
You're a
plenty.
Snapchat whore.
We're gonna have plenty.
Snapchat hoe.
Anyone need anything?
You said whore at first. I'd rather be called
They're
a
the
whore
same
than a hoe.
thing.
Anything out of the car, anybody?
Oh. Oh, I have to go get it. I can't tell you what it is. Can you turn on that light though?
You can't tell what it is.
I'm just kidding. Okay. So there's a little baby.
Ooh, come here. Oh.
Oh my God, you would die.
Oh. He's a baby. Ashley, did you meet Finn?
Yes.
That's Chris's boo-boo.
I know. You're my boo-boo.
He loves Chris loves Finn more than me. How do you make videos this long?
Well, you make videos and then you
I didn't know you
take
could like make
pictures.
video and then take chunks of it. So you just like take the most beautiful chunks.
Really, Jason?
Only when you're looking gorgeous.
Ash, you need anything in the
Perf.
car?
My mom started saying perf.
Do you need
No, JT.
anything? You just said you did.
Look at these cute
I was
little
kidding. And Lindsay was like, "Oh, you think I'm the queen of selfies? Look, you and your Snapchats." Yeah, bitch. And everybody loves my Snapchats.
Everyone loves them. Suck it.
What?
Babe, I hate that. I know.
Oh.